Students, now we will solve the review exercise. Okay, so look here, first question. Divide and check your answer. First question is divide and check your answer. See first example, 355 divided by 9. So here, first we have to divide this example, find the quotient and remainder and check our answer is correct or not by division operator. Okay, so first we will divide this example. 355 divided by 9. So here 355 is a dividend and 9 is a divisor. Here I have written table of 9. First we will choose here 100 and 10 digit together to divide by 9. So here we divide 35 by 9. So by dividing 35 by 9, it gives us quotient 3. 9 3s are 27. So 3 write in 10 space. 9 3s are 27. And it gives us remainder 8. Okay. Here we divide 35 by 9. It gives us quotient 3 and remainder 8. Now next digit is 5. Bring it down. Okay. Now we divide 85 by 9. By dividing 85 by 9, it gives us quotient 9. 9 9s are 81. So it gives us quotient 9. So 9 write in ones place. 9 9s are 81. Here we divide 85 by 9. It gives us quotient 9 and remainder 4. Understood? Means here we divide 355 by 9. It gives us answer 39. So 39 is quotient and remainder 4. In this way, we get here quotient, remainder. Now, we will check our answer, quotient and remainder, correct or not by using division operator. Here I have written divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now, we will put the value of divisor, quotient and remainder in this division algorithm. Okay, here divisor is 9. Quotient 39. And remainder 4. Now we will multiply 39 by 9. 9 9s are 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8, 35. So we get here product 351 plus 4. So we get 355. We get answer 355. And 355 is our dividend. In this way, we say that our quotient and remainder of this division is correct. Because we check it by division algorithm. What is division algorithm? Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to division. And we got it. Okay, next example. 6286 divided by 7. So here 6286 is dividend and 7 is divisor. Now we will divide leftmost bit, extreme left bit. But here 6 is less than 7. So we have to choose 1000 and 100 digit together. Means here we have to divide 62 by 7. Okay. So by dividing 62 by 7, it gives us quotient 8. 7 8s are 56. So 8 write in 100. 7 8s are 56. By subtracting 56 from 62, we get here difference 6. Here we divide 62 by 7. It gives us quotient 8 and remainder 6. Now we divide 68 by 7. Okay, so by dividing 68 by 7, it gives us quotient 9. 7 9s are 63. So 9 writing tens place and divide 63 from 68. 8 minus 3, 5, 6 minus 6, 0. So here we divide 68 by 7. It gives us quotient 9 and remainder 5. Next digit is 6. Bring it down. 56. Now we divide 56 by 7. By dividing 56 by 7, it gives us quotient 8. 7 8s are 56. 8 writing 1 space. So here we divide 56 by 7. It gives us quotient 8 and remainder 0. In this way, here our division is completed. We divide 6286 by 7. It gives us quotient 898 and remainder 0. So this is quotient and remainder. Now we will check our answer by division algorithm. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will put the value of divisor, quotient and remainder in this division algorithm. Divisor 7. Quotient 898 and remainder 0. Now we will multiply 898 by 7. 7 8s are 56. 6 carry on 5. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 5 carry on 68. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 6 62. So we get here product 6286 plus 0. We get here sum 6286 and 6286 is our dividend. Okay, in this way we divide 6286 by 7. We get quotient 898 and remainder 0. So our answer is correct because we check here by division algorithm and we got it. Example, 99,354 divided by 34. Here 99,354 is dividend. 34 is divisor. Here I have written table of 34. Now we will divide 10,000 and 1,000 place together. 10,000 and 1,000 digit together. Means here we divide 99 by 34. Okay. Now here we divide 99 by 34. It gives us quotient 2. It gives us quotient 2. So 2 writing 1,000 plus. Minus 68. By dividing 99 by 34, it gives us quotient 2 and remainder 31. Now, next digit is 3, bring it down. Now we divide 330 by 34. By dividing 330 by 34, it gives us quotient 9. So 9 writing 100 place. Here we divide 330 by 34. It gives us quotient 9 and remainder 7. Okay. Next digit is 5. Bring it down. Now we divide 75 by 34. Okay. By dividing 75 by 34, it gives us quotient 2. So 2 writing tens place. Dividing 75 by 34, it gives us quotient 2 and remainder 7. Next digit 4, take it down. Now divide 74 by 34. It gives us quotient 2. 2 write in ones place. So here we divide 74 by 34. We get quotient 2 and remainder 6. In this way, here we divide 99,354 by 34. It gives us quotient 2,922 and remainder 6. Now we check our answer by division algorithm. Okay, division algorithm I have written here. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here divisor is 34. Quotient 2,922 and remainder 6. Now we multiply 2,922 by 34. First we multiply by 4 ones. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36, 6 carry over 3, 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. Now multiply by 30. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 7 carry over 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now add 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 4 carry over 1, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 carry over 1, 7 plus 1 plus 1, 9, 8 plus 1, 9. In this way, here we multiply 2,922 by 34, we get product 99,340. We add 6. So by adding it, we get here 99,354 and 99,354 is our dividend. In this way, we divide here 99,354 by 34. We get quotient 2,922 and remainder 6. And we check our answer by division algorithm. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. We get here 99,354 means dividend. So our answer of quotient and remainder is correct. Okay. Next example. 9,822 divided by 64. So here in this example, 9,822 is dividend and 64 is divisor. Here I have written table of 64. Okay, now we will divide 98 means if we choose only 9 is less than 64. So we have to choose together 1000 and 100 digit together to divide. So here we divide 98 by 64. Okay. So here we divide 98 by 64. It gives us quotient 1. By dividing 98 by 64, it gives us quotient 1. So 1 writing 100 place. Now subtract 64 from 98. 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. Okay. So here we divide 98 by 64. It gives us quotient as 1 and remainder 34. Now next these two we bring down. Here we have to divide 342 by 64. Okay. Now by dividing 342 by 64, it gives us quotient 5. It gives us quotient 5. So 5 write in tens place and subtract 320 from 342. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Next digit is 2, so bring it down. Now we have to divide 222 by 64. So here we divide 222 by 64. It gives us quotient 3. gives us quotient 3. So 3 write in ones place. Minus 192. 2 minus 2, 0. Here 3 and 0. So here, by dividing 222 by 64, it gives us quotient 3 and remainder 30. In this way, here we divide 9822 by 64. It gives us answer 153. So 153 is quotient and 30 is remainder. Now we'll check our answer by division algorithm. You have no division algorithm. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. We have to check. Okay. So we will put value of divisor, quotient and remainder in this division algorithm. Divisor 64. Quotient 153. And remainder 30. Now we will multiply 153 by 64. 4 3s are 12, 2 carry over 1, 4 5s are 20 plus 121, 1 carry over 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. Now we will multiply by 60. 6 3s are 18, 8 carry over 1, 6 5s are 30 plus 131, 1 carry over 3, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. Now we will add 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 8, 9, 6 plus 1, 7 and 9 as it is. In this way we multiply 153 by 64. We get here product 9792. We add 30. So we get here sum 2 plus 0, 2, 9 plus 3, 12, 2, carry over 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 9. We get here answer 9822 and 9822 is our dividend. In this way, by division algorithm we check quotient and remainder and it's correct. Okay, so we get here divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Understood? How to divide and how to check our answer by division algorithm. Next example, 5346 divided by 56. Okay, here 5346 is dividend and 56 is divisor. Here I have written table of 56. Now we will divide. If we choose leftmost digit 5 is less than 56. If we choose 53 less than 56. So here we have to choose 1000, 100 and 10 digit together to divide. So here we have to divide 534 by 56. Okay. So by dividing 534 by 56, it gives us quotient 9. Okay. So 9 right here in tens place. Subtract 504. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 5, 0. In this way, by dividing 534 by 56, it gives us quotient 9 and remainder 30. Now, next digit is 6, it brings down. Now here we have to divide 306 by 56. So by dividing 306 by 56, it gives us quotient 5. So 5 write in ones place. So in this way, by dividing 306 by 56, it gives us quotient 5 and remainder 26. Okay. Now we will here we have divided 5346 by 56. So we get here answer 95. So 95 is quotient. Look here, students. We have divided here 5346 by 56. We get quotient 95 and remainder 26. Now division algorithm. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we put value of divisor, quotient and remainder in this division algorithm. Divisor 56, quotient 95 and remainder 26. Now we will multiply 95 by 56. 6 5s are 30, 0 carry over 2. 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 3, 57, 1 0. 5, now we multiply by 50, so we put 1 0. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry over 2. 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 2, 47. Now we will add 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 carry over 1. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 carry over 1. 4 plus 1, 5. In this way, we get here product 5320. We add 26. So we get here sum 5346. And 5346 is our dividend. In this way, we check here divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So our answer is correct. Quotient and remainder of this division example is correct. We have checked by division algorithm. Okay. Next example. 1797 divided by 30. Here 1797 is dividend and 13 is divisor. Here I have written table of 13. Now we will divide 1000 and 100 digit together. Means we divide here 17 by 13. So by dividing 17 by 13, it gives us quotient 1. It gives us quotient 1. So 1 writing 100 place. So, by dividing 17 by 30, it gives us quotient 1 and remainder 4. Now, next digit is 9. So, bring it down. Now, we will divide 49 by 30. So, by dividing 49 by 30, it gives us quotient 3. 13 3s are 39. So, 3 writing 10s place. By dividing 49 by 30, it gives us quotient 3 and remainder 10. Now next digit is 7. We bring it down. Now we have to divide 107 by 13. By dividing 107 by 30, it gives us quotient 8. 13 8s are 104. So 8 writing 1's place. So here we divide 107 by 30, it gives us quotient 8 and remainder 3. In this way, here we divide 1797 by 30, it gives us quotient 138 and remainder 3. Now, we'll check our answer by division algorithm. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will put value of divisor, quotient and remainder in division algorithm. Divisor 13. Quotient 138 plus remainder 3. Now we will multiply 138 by 30. 3 8s are 24. 4 carry over 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carry over 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. Now we multiply by 10. 2 1 0. 1 8s are 8. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. Now we add. 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 3, 7 and 1. In this way, here we get product 1794. Plus we add 3, we get here answer 1797. And 1797 is dividend. In this way, by using division algorithm, we check an answer and our answer is correct. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend, and we check our answer and our answer is correct. Example, 23,456 divided by 18. Here, 23,456 is dividend and 18 is divisor. Here I have written table of 18. Now, we will divide 10,000 and 1,000 together means 23 by 18. By dividing 23 by 18, it gives us quotient 1. 18 ones are 18. 1 writing 1,000 place. So here we divide 23 by 18, it gives us quotient 1 and remainder 1. Next digit is 4. We bring it down. Now we will divide 54 by 18. So by dividing 54 by 18, it gives us quotient 3. 18 3s are 54. In this way, by dividing 54 by 18, it gives us quotient 3 and remainder 0. 3 we have written in 100 place. Now next digit is 5. We bring it down. 5 is less than 18, so quotient will be 0. In this way, we get remainder 5. Next digit is 6. Now we will divide 56 by 18. By dividing 56 by 18, it gives us quotient 3. So 3 writing ones place. So here we divide 56 by 18, it gives us quotient 3 and remainder 2. Okay, so here division completed. Here we divide 23,456 by 18, it gives us quotient 1,303 and remainder 2. Okay, now we check our answer by division algorithm. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will put value of divisor, quotient and remainder. Divisor 18. Quotient 1303. And remainder 2. Now we will multiply 1303 by 18. First we multiply by 8. 8 3s are 24. 4 can go 2. 8 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. 8 3s are 24. 4 can go 2. 8 1s are 8 plus 2, 10. Now we multiply by 10. So put 1, 0. 1 3s are 3. 1 0, 0. 1 3s are 3. And 1 1s are 1. Now we will add. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. In this way, we get here product 23,454. 23,454. We add 2 remainder. We get here answer 23,456. And 23,456 is our dividend. So here we divide 23,456 by 18. We get quotient 1,303 and remainder 2. And our answer is correct. Here we check our answer, quotient and remainder by division algorithm. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay. Example, 83,528 divided by 27. 83,528 is dividend and 27 is divisor. Here I have written table of 27. Now we will divide 83 by 27. So by dividing 83 by 27, it gives us quotient 3. 27 3s are 81. 3 minus 1, 2, 8 minus 8, 0. Now next, digit 5, we bring it down. Okay, here 25 is less than 27. So, quotient will be 0. Next digit 2, to bring it down. Now divide 252 by 27. By dividing 252 by 27, it gives us quotient 9. 9 writing tens place. In this way, by dividing 252 by 27, it gives us quotient 9 and remainder 9. Now next digit, bring it down. Now divide 98 by 27. By dividing 98 by 27, it gives us quotient 3. 27 is the 81. So 3 write in ones place. In this way, here we divide 98 by 27. It gives us quotient 3 and remainder 7. So here division is completed. We divide 83,528 by 27. It gives us quotient 3,093 and remainder 7. Okay, now we will check our answer by division algorithm. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will put value of divisor, quotient and remainder in division algorithm. Divisor 27. Quotient 3093. And remainder 70. Now we will multiply 3093 by 27. First we will divide 7. 7 3s are 21. 1 carry over 2. Now multiply 9 by 7. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 2 65. 5 carry over 6. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 6 6. And 7 3s are 21. Now we multiply by 20. Put 1 0. Now multiply 3 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 9s are 18. 8 carry over 1. 2 0 0 plus 1 1. And 2 3s are 6. 1 plus 0 1. 5 plus 6 11. 1 carry over 1. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 1 15. 5 carry over 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 6 plus 2 8. In this way we get here 83,511 product. 83,511. Now we will add remainder 7. So we get here 7 plus 1 8. 1 plus 1 2. 5 3 8. In this way we get the answer 83,528 and 83,528 is dividend. So here we divide 83,528 by 27. We get quotient 3,093, remainder 70, and we check our answer quotient and remainder by division algorithm, and our answer is correct. Okay, because we get here divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, in this way first question we have completed. I have shown how to divide, given example, and how to check answer by division algorithm.